Howdy everybody, welcome back to Outnumbered Barbecue. Today I'm trying the viral 0 to 400 degree chicken wings on a pellet grill. Supposedly this will get you super smoky, super crispy wings in less than an hour. Let me see if it works. I'm starting with these convenient flats and drumettes already separated from the grocery store. We'll just take these out of the package, dump them into a stainless steel bowl. For the rub, I'll take this shaker bottle. I'll be using Meat Church Blanco seasoning, basically just salt, pepper, garlic. And I'll use about a quarter cup. To that, I'm going to add this baking powder, about a tablespoon. The baking powder will really help dry out these wings, help with the browning, get them nice and crispy. Now we'll just go ahead and season these wings with this salt, pepper, garlic, and baking powder. Give it a mix. Make sure all the wings have a good layer of seasoning on them. These look good. Let's get them in the smoker. So we're putting these wings in the smoker with the smoker off. And once we get all the wings loaded on the pit, we'll turn on the smoker to 400 degrees. The theory here is pellet grills put off a lot of smoke at low temperatures. As the temperature rises, they put off less smoke. So as the temperature rises on the pit, you get a lot of good smoke on these wings the first 15 or 20 minutes. And as it gets to 400 degrees, you really start to crisp up that skin. So now that we have it set to 400 degrees, we'll just set our timer for 30 minutes. And it took about 30 minutes for it to reach 400 degrees. Here we are after 30 minutes. It's gone from 399 to 401, about 400 degrees. We're going to come in here and we're going to flip all these wings. We're already getting some good color. Once we flip these wings, it should just be about another 20 minutes. That high heat, 400 degrees, will really render that fat under the skin, make them extra crispy. And here we are after 20 minutes. It's been a total cook time of 50 minutes. Let's go ahead and pull one of these wings, get an internal temperature, looking for about in between 190 and 200 degrees. And this one's perfect, about 190, 191. That's perfect. Still sizzling. Let's go ahead and pull these off, get them inside, give them a taste. Look at that color. These wings are still super hot, but let's get one, pull it apart. Super juicy inside, little smoke ring, pulls off the bone clean. Let's get a taste. Wow, super crispy. Well, these wings came out great. Crispy, smoky, still juicy inside. Are these wings as good as fried wings? No. But for super crispy smoked wings in less than an hour on a weeknight, you can't beat it. Well, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, and thanks for watching.